Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi, Vadya. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Thanks for asking.
Yeah,
Okay. Do you know about pollution?
yeah,
Okay. Then shall we take today's topic, pollution?
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Then what do you know about pollution?
Pollution means they are classified into four types. They
Okay.
are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution,
Okay.
and noise pollution.
Okay.
By air pollution means like smokes like on factories, vehicles, and burning of some plastics and some
Okay.
other things. Water pollution means uh, the, we are destroying the resources, water resources like ponds, lakes, rivers, and etc. Like putting some plastic materials on the dump, like on the water. By the way, the plastic won't get the what destroy. It will float on water and it will pollute the water.
Okay.
And another thing, land pollution means like some chemicals are added to like on fertilizers or added to plant to get more food. So it is harmful to land. So it is called land pollution. Noise pollution means the horns of the vehicles. Some heavy machines produces more sound. And that's all.
All right. Then what do you think? How humans are affected by pollution?
When we breathe the air of some like some what can I say, like polluted air. If
Hmm.
we breathe that, it can cause some disease. In water means like drainage. There will be some mosquitoes, or else if we put more waste in the water, it will become drainage too. So from the drainage, some mosquitoes, some insects will be spread over
Hmm.
the area, and when the mosquito bite us, we'll get some chicken pox, and malaria, cholera, etc.
Oh,
So it can cause us by pollution.
yeah, that is very dangerous, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how does pollution affect the environment?
Like on land pollution,
Hmm.
plastics may won't get destroyed. So if we put more plastics on the land or at water, so it will pollute us. Like when we drink water, if the water is polluted, like on waste was on the water, we can't drink it. By the way, the environment will pollute by pollution.
Yeah, exactly. You're right.
Yeah,
Hmm. And if our land is polluted, then we cannot grow anything in that land, right?
yes,
Yeah. That will be useless land then, right?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Then do you think pollution is a big problem in our world today?
yeah.
So why is it a big problem?
Like we can't even stop it if the like on factories um, a rice factory, if that is near our home or in our area, we
Hmm?
can't the noise pollution will happen, the smoke coming from the factory causes air pollution, the drainage of the factory causes water pollution, and by the way will be too it was dangerous.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Then what do you think what happens when we are living in noise pollution area?
uh, dump, sorry, deaf.
Yeah, we can be deaf, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, and also I observe when I am in noise pollution area, I get frustrated easily and I get angry.
yeah, the noise will be irritated for us.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mm, yeah. Then, do you know which kind of things cause noise pollution?
Yeah, the horns of the vehicles, some heavy machineries on factories, it can cause some more noise. Mm,
Yeah. What about DJ?
it can too. But DJ means we can less the volume and can do our things. But if the noise was much louder, we can't even speak with others, or it will be irritated for our ears.
Yeah, exactly. So, what are some ways we can reduce noise pollution?
Cycles won't produces any like more noises. So instead of some bikes or cars, we can use bicycles, but for a short distance, not for long distance.
Exactly.
And then by DJ means we can hear the music in a low volume,
Yeah.
and that's all I think so.
Yeah, and what I think that government should not allow to allow factories that they can produce anything in city area. They
Yeah,
should allow far from city so that city people will not be feel any noise pollution.
yes, it's
Mm.
too correct.
Yeah, and also, have you heard about plastic pollution?
Plastic pollution, yeah, like
Can you explain
destroying
about
the,
that?
yeah, plastic pollution means we should not use any, yeah, government also stop the usage of plastic bags.
Uh,
Instead of that, we should use like yellow bag.
yeah.
Here, yellow bag is announced.
Mhm.
So plastics are not allowed to carry anything.
Mhm.
Instead of that, we can use some jute bags,
Mhm. So why
or
do you think why plastic is very much problem in for
yeah,
pollution?
it won't destroy like plants like not peel off the fruits. It
Mhm.
won't get destroy like plants.
Yeah. So I think there are two types of waste there. That is biodegradable and non-biodegradable.
Oh,
Yeah, and plastic is non-biodegradable. That means if you will put that plastic in any place, or if we will burn, it will be not destroyed completely, and it
yeah,
will take thousands
many
of
years.
years. Then also it will not destroy. But other things like
Plants, plants.
plants or leaves, that will destroy in 1 week or 1 month. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah, I have also heard about the non-degradable and biodegradable.
yeah. Hmm.
Yeah,
So, what do you think? How water pollution is affecting the country?
the less usage of by putting the waste on water, the water may pollute. We can't even drink the water. So
Mm-hmm.
instead of that, we can use some leather bag. Instead of using the plastic bottles, we can use steel bottles.
Mm, yeah.
Thus, we can protect the water resources
Mm-hmm.
by the plastics.
Mm-hmm.
And another thing, instead of like the peel of onions,
Mm-hmm.
uh, other vegetables, fruits,
Mm-hmm.
and some other waste, instead
Mm-hmm.
of putting in the waste, we
Mhm.
can dump it in a not
Mhm.
in a what can I say, in a can.
Mhm.
Dump it, and for 10 to 15 days we can
Mhm.
close the can with a plate
Mhm.
or something. After that, the peels of some vegetables and fruits, it
Mhm.
may get fully get uh,
Mhm.
destroyed, and we can use it as a manure of the plant instead of putting it. Come on.
Hello.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What happened?
Cat was near me. I'm afraid of cat.
Oh, why didn't you ask help from anybody?
Yeah, it went out. May I
Okay.
close the door?
Yeah. I think anybody opened that door, right?
No, I'm in a room.
Mhm.
There only sir kept the cat. So
Oh.
I'm too afraid of the cat.
Oh, all right. It's okay.
I'm I'm sorry.
It's okay. So I was asking one another question.
Yeah.
Shall I ask?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what do you think? How water pollution is affecting marine life?
Like when we in factories,
Hmm?
the um, the waste of like water, some other destroyed things of the factory, they may give the wastages into the seas. So by the acid chemicals are mixed with the water, the fishes or the marine animals can't even breathe. It may kill the animal, like aquatic animal. Hello, hello,
Yeah.
hello.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yeah,
All right.
am I
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah. You are right. Exactly. Because um, marine life animals also want pure water. They like to breathe from water, oxygen, and all. Lots of things are there in water. And if water will be affected, how can they live? Yeah.
Uh, can you repeat the question?
I'm not telling any question. I'm giving answer only.
Yeah,
Yeah. I'm saying that.
you're not audible to me. Like it was breaking.
Am I audible now?
No.
Am I not audible?
Yeah,
Am I audible now?
yeah, yeah. Now,
Oh,
now it's
okay.
okay.
I was saying that if water is affected and marine life animals, how they breathe and how they drink, how they live in the water only, right? And
Yeah,
how they can breathe, they can take oxygen from the water only. And if water is affected, they will drink that water, they will take oxygen from that, and if there is will be no oxygen and polluted water, they will drink it and they will die immediately.
yeah,
Yeah, so that's why it is very much problem.
yeah.
Mm.
Instead of that, we can reduce the like on factories. We can use it as some other area
Mm. Yeah.
instead of putting the waste on the sea. Some other else area we can put, like if the area is
Mhm.
what can I say? If the area is for the only for the factories
Mhm.
waste, we
Mhm.
can put there itself for and for the waste. Like near the area, factories are built,
Mhm.
and the wastages of the factories are connected to the only for that restricted area.
Okay.
It was nice to not pollute any land, or only that land with that area's land will be polluted, but no other animals or sea aquatic animals, land animals or humans will be polluted.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, what are the major things that we can do for reducing pollution from the earth?
Yeah, we can give some letters to the government, like our factories are near to our home or our cities, so you can take the factories to another area. Like
Mm-hmm.
there was no animals, humans are there. So instead of that, we can build a factory near some. There was no human or living there. So by the way, we can do that.
Mm-hmm.
And what can I say? Instead of that, the humans who are working inside the factories may affect by the pollutions. Am I
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah, exactly. And what I think, we should use dustbin. What do you think on it?
Uh, yeah, they can use.
Yeah. Do you think nowadays many person is using dustbin, but many of them are not using? What do you think on this?
Yeah, yes. Some of them will like the fish waste.
Mhm.
They will not put it on the dustbin. They'll simply throwing to the water
Mhm.
or on the land near our home.
Mhm. Mhm.
Some will be very good, like on putting it on the dustbin,
Mhm.
and some will not care about the land, simply
Mhm.
throwing somewhere else.
Mhm.
So when I was seeing that, I will get irritated. Like the smell will, cause how can I say the smell? It was very bad.
Mhm.
After it, one day means okay. 2 days, 3 days means it will get very bad smell will come.
Mhm.
So instead of putting it on the land, we can put it on the dustbin and dispose it.
Mm. Exactly. So,
Yeah,
do you think dustbin can be helpful for reducing pollution?
yeah, I think.
Okay. And what do you think about recycling and reusing of plastic?
Uh, like the water bottles. In the marriage functions, they will give a water bottle.
Mhm.
If I had heard it from the social medias,
Mhm.
like YouTube's, I have heard this
Mhm.
announcement
Mhm.
that if we use the marriage function, they will give some water bottle.
Mhm.
If we use the water bottle once
Mhm.
and throw it down,
Mhm.
uh, like what can they will fill the air inside it and
Mhm.
pack a new cover and will send it uh, back to the new
Mhm.
supermarket or else.
Mhm.
And instead of this, like they won't even recycle it.
Mhm.
Instead of recycling, they will fill the air and pour the water inside it and
Mhm.
staple some label, like pasting some label,
Mhm.
and giving back to the new, like giving back as a new bottle to the supermarket. So it
Mhm.
was too bad. Instead of this, we can recycle it and do the same.
Mhm.
So I think recycling means it should be useful for us, not like this. I have
Mhm.
said and reason for this.
Mhm.
Like on some plastic items, they will be given as a triangle shape, and inside the triangle they will write some 5 or 4.
Mhm.
I think that indicates how many times it was recycled.
Mhm.
In the plastic boxes, like geometry boxes,
Mhm.
they'll be giving this a triangle shaped. It will be there,
Mhm.
and inside the triangle, 4 or 5 number it will be right. Not 4 or 5 number. The number 4 will be written.
Mhm.
Then I have asked to my father that what is the meaning of this? What
Mhm.
indicates this triangle and inside the number? Then
Mhm.
my father told that this indicates how much time the um, plastic was recycled. Then I
Mhm.
asked, if you are like your truth about the this plastic was recycled this much time. Are you okay with that statement?
Mhm.
Then my father asked, it will be true nor false. So I'm not very stable with that
Mhm.
statement.
So, do you think recycling things are good?
I think yes, but some other person of of the recycled
Mhm.
factory,
Mhm.
some will not do the job, like simply throwing it down
Mhm.
and filling the air,
Mm.
giving back to the shop. I
Yeah.
think it was good and bad.
All
Wha
right.
Yeah, what do you think?
I think
Mm,
uh, if it is about hygiene, we should not reuse that thing. We should first recycle that, and then we should reuse that.
yeah,
Okay.
like
Yeah.
newspapers are
Uh,
recycled.
yeah, if we are reusing or recycling newspapers is good. But for bottles, like water bottles or anything, we should first recycle it. It means
And
remaking of that.
yeah,
After boiling plastic, we can remake from that plastic. That
and
is good.
uh,
But
and I have
reusing is
seen
not good.
yeah, and I have seen in some social medias like a machine is there. We like the soda can, like Coca-Cola can,
Mhm.
steel can. They
Mhm.
are putting all the cans in the machine
Mhm.
and start. If they start the machine, it will like recycle the process. I think so.
Mhm. Mhm.
By it will push the can and it will be like a sheet.
Mhm.
After that, with the recycled material, like the
Mhm.
paint will be back and it will like silver color.
Mhm.
By the way, they will make some other things like some other things like a box, steel box, or some other something else.
Yeah. So yeah, it was nice conversation with you, Vidya.
Yeah,
Shall we hang up now?
yeah. Bye.
Okay.
Have a
Have a
nice
great
day.
day. Thank you.
Thank you
Bye.
for speaking with me.
Thank you. Welcome. Bye.
Bye.